Just hosting your SQL server isn't enough. That's like buying a high-performance sports car and never taking it in for maintenance. You wouldn't expect that car to run forever without oil changes, tire rotations, or system checks, and your database is no different. At DataOps IT, we provide complete, hands-on SQL Server support and maintenance. Because performance, security, and reliability don't just happen. Our services: routine patching, proactive bug resolution, slow query optimization, deep performance tuning. We dive into every layer of your SQL environment, from fine-tuning server configurations and indexing strategies. The result? Near zero downtime, blazing fast query responses, and systems that just work, no hiccups, no headaches. Your data stays secure, your users stay happy, and your business, it keeps moving forward, without disruption. With DataOps IT, your database is in expert hands, so you can focus on growth, innovation, and results.